Hey, what's going on, everybody? I want to give you a quick tip in this video when you are hiring and working with employees or virtual assistants. So this one tip is create an exact workflow. Document the workflow. Document exactly what the person is responsible for doing, whatever that task is that they're hired to accomplish. Document each and every step. So for example, say they are helping you with social media, maybe they're helping you with Facebook. Document step 1 to step 25. Step 1, you get your picture in the Facebook group. Then you take that picture and you download it and you upload it to the Google Drive. And then once you get the picture in the Google Drive, you then upload it to Canva in the raw folder. Then once you're in the raw folder, you're gonna take that, you're gonna upload it to the design template number 1. And when you download that, you're gonna upload it to the team spreadsheet on Trello, so on and so forth. Each and every little thing that they have to do, document everything. And there's a couple reasons for that. Number 1, there'll be no confusion in terms of what they have to do and what they're responsible for. And number 2, if you ever have to let them go, or for example, they decide to leave or stop showing up for work, you have the exact systems and workflow already documented, so you could take somebody brand new and you could put them right through the system and you know exactly what needs to be done. So, you know, as a CEO, as an entrepreneur, you really want to try to transition yourself out of the business to be working on the business instead of in the business. And a lot of times we kind of lose track of the little tasks, how to do it. So by having these documentations in line, you can use Google Sheets, Google Docs, you can even use the Microsoft Word, Excel, whatever you use, save it, have it, and it's going to help you that much more. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.